back, everybody. Modern medicine means we can get a lot more done without going under the knife. That includes cosmetic procedures. When it comes to the aging process, I don't know about you, but I'm going down fighting. Okay, well, here to help us in that fight is Dr. Shalina Laji, Medical Director for the Dr. Shell Wellness and Medical Spa. Hi there.
How are you?
Good.
Yes.
It's a relatively new thing to have a medical spa because this is just a different grade, upgrade.
Level.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so let's start with some of the things we have there. There are things that can get us over the counter for a minute, and then there are other things that we have to bump it up a little bit. And one thing about bumping it up is what we call the Obagi skincare system. Oh, your mic is not working there, so we're going to have you hold that. Okay,
not a problem. Well, Deborah, first we have medical grade skincare. And the difference is between medical grade and just routine, fluffy kind of skincare is medical grade is really things that are going to do treatments. They're treatment-oriented skincare, and one of my favorite lines is Obagi. Obagi skincare. This is what I use. I love it. I love it. I've been using this for many years, but the nice thing about Obagi is it not only has skincare for an average person who's just trying to slow down the aging process, they also have a great line for acne, a great line for the décolleté, the great new Derm line, which incorporates hydroquinone and retin A to take away the sun damage, the wrinkles, the large pores.
I've always been very skeptical of a lot of skincare products, and I put them to the test, but this is one that I actually saw a difference in my skin
I think you can really see the difference within just a couple of weeks, and it's been fantastic. Even the eye cream, fantastic.
All right, let's take a look at liquid facelift Juvederm. By the way, Dr. Shell and I are 180 years old.
That's right.
And so that's why I love this so much. Okay, the liquid facelift is become kind of a relatively new term as well,
It is.
So instead of going in and actually doing the pulling and the surgery, you can put that off.
That's right. You can pull it off by using a wide variety of components. First of all, you want to get rid of the wrinkles around the eyes, the levens, and then the lines around the forehead. You could do that with Dysport. Dysport is sort of the new Botox, if you will. It's also a muscle relaxer, and it lasts longer and acts quicker. So it's a really good alternate to Botox. As well as we have Juvederm and Radiesse. Radiesse can be used in nasolabial folds. It can be used for cheeks. Exactly, right over here.
Laugh lines.
That's right. Marionette, when you feel like you're not frowning, but you look like you're frowning. And it can be used for men, women, any skin type, etc. The Juvederm is wonderful for lips to take away the little lines that go around the lips that we call smoker's lines, even if you don't smoke.
Oh, yeah, because you see a lot of people who don't smoke and still have those lines.
And so those can be gone, and you can have fuller lips if you'd like.
All right. There's this other thing that's amazing called the Titan system. And we've seen some amazing results with that.
Yes. The Titan is fantastic. And the reason it's fantastic is you can get a lift without any surgical procedures. So you can actually lift up your skin and stimulate that collagen that essentially gets really relaxed, and you can see a picture of it on the screen where you can do it on the neck as well as on the face, the chin,
where you have those kind of jowls, it just basically lifts that back up.
It lifts it back up. You don't even need as much fillers. You just lift the skin up, and it just becomes tighter, younger. You can use it on your abdomen, the arms, the legs, any place of your body.
Again, something to consider if you're considering actually getting surgery. You should probably look at this first.
Definitely. Save a lot of money, a lot of downtime, as well as no risk. And no downtime at all.
All right. We love that no downtime.
Yes, we do.
How much time does it take, though, to start showing the results of that?
You see some results immediately.
Ooh, wow.
And then you see the best results in about 4 weeks.
Okay, so you and I will head back to the green room
with
the
we
machine.
are going right back.
Hit me, baby, one more time.
That's right. That's right.
Okay, the Pearl. Tell us what that is.
Well, the Pearl is one of my most favorite procedures right now because you can just with 1 to 2 treatments, and most people, well, 100% of patients, I should say, notice a result within just 1 treatment. And what you're seeing is sun damage, large pores, fine line, wrinkles, all gone within 1 treatment.
Wow.
You have only a 72-hour social downtime where you have some redness, where you have to take care of the skin.
I love that, social downtime.
Social downtime. So no cocktail parties, but everything else is okay. You can still clean those closets. But you have, it can be used on skin types 1 through 5, and you know, you can...
When you say skin types 1 through 5, what do you mean?
So what I mean is from the lightest Caucasian all the way to Latin American, Indian, light Indians, and things of that nature. And so you really can use it in a variety of skin types. And you can get rid of the sun damage without having to come in for repeated treatments. 1 treatment, you're done.
Wow, okay.
It's
fantastic. Pro-fractional, that's different?
Pro-fractional is different, and if you don't mind, let's go ahead and show them this particular poster. So if you look over here, do you see how this gentleman has very deep wrinkles right here? Those deep deep wrinkles are then gone after just a single treatment. 6 weeks later, those wrinkles are gone. No surgery, no, no risk, no bleeding, things of that nature. But with just 7 days of social downtime again, that's gone. If you look around the mouth over here, these deep wrinkles, those are gone as well. So you're talking about deep wrinkles, acne scars. We really didn't have anything for acne scars before this.
Right.
They're gone after a single treatment.
Wow, just smooths out that skin.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
It's just terrific. And those are eyes without any Botox. So you've got crow's feet that are gone with just a laser.
Right, and there are times that if you want to enhance even more, you can put in a little bit of the
you can put in a little bit of fillers and Botox, absolutely.
Right. You had a mommy makeover that you sponsored for Jane Olison, and so she got the works, because you offer the works at your place. Whatever you want, you got it.
Yes.
And there
she deserved it.
Before. Okay, and she is with us today. So, Jane, come on out here. She's all happy. Hi, Jane. How are you? All right, so you wrote in because you really had a tough year or so.
No, I've had a tough 10 years.
A tough 10 years. Tough 10 years. So it was a tough time in dealing with your son. And anytime we have anything happen to our children, we hurt probably 10 times as much as they do, if not more.
Right.
So what was the situation with your son?
Well, I'm married and I have 2 children and everything was going great and thought we were on track with everything. And my oldest son fell and broke his neck. And he's paralyzed, and he's still paralyzed. He's some better, and able to live on his own now. And I just couldn't own that, you know.
Yeah, it's hard. You get past the point where you can go, okay, are they going to survive? Okay, after you get through with that, then it's at what level?
I couldn't own this being paralyzed for life, which really you are.
Yeah.
And so I kind of went online and tried to make contacts. I ended up meeting Christopher Reeve, and I've met over 200 scientists, and I swear this is not going to be forever. I mean, ooh.
Yeah. And what's your son's life like today? Because of a mother's love and his determination.
No, it's not anywhere near normal, and but
more than you expected?
Yeah, yes. He has a job. He has a good job, and he bought a house, and he's able to care for himself, and
which that's a great accomplishment.
That is a great.
And the icing on the cake is he has a hot mom. All right. So, Dr. Shell, what all did you do here?
Well, on Jane, several of the things that we've talked about. So Jane was beautiful to begin with. We just needed to enhance a couple of things. So we did tighten up her skin. So we were able to
straight
pull
toward the
things.
camera there, so we can. Yeah.
We were able to pull her skin up without any kind of surgery and no downtime. We were also able to, if you look, the eyes were going down a lot. We opened the eyes up by tightening up this area here, lifting her eyes up, some Botox. And if you look at her cheeks, she actually has cheeks now, and that's done with Radiesse, which is a great, that's part of the liquid facelift.
Wow.
So she's had the tighten and the liquid facelift, and then all the sun damage that she had and some of the deeper wrinkles are now gone because of the Pearl and Pearl Fractional. So she just looks like a new woman.
What did you think when you looked at it?
Oh, good. Yeah, fantastic. Yes, I love it.
And what did your son think?
I love it. Well, you know, they don't really like to look at their mom. So,
Mom, you look
no.
You look kind of hot.
No, he didn't.
Because her husband, on the other hand.
No, he's 29. He doesn't want to look at me. But my husband, he's so thrilled over it. He really is. Yeah.
Well, thank you very, very much.
Thank you, Jane. Thank you.
I want to let you know that the Dr. Shell Wellness and Medical Spa is having an open house tomorrow. If you attend, you'll receive up to $300 off any laser package. So call now to RSVP to take advantage of that special offer. Their number is 281-313-SHELL, 281-313-7435, or log on to drshell.com, and that's Shell with only one L, S-H-E-L. Anything else?
Correct. No, I think that's good. And if they're interested in the Obagi, we're also offering the viewers 10% off on Obagi if they call in.
There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.